Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix no audio output devices installed in Windows 10. To fix the no audio output device is installed error in Windows 10, you can try the following solutions. First, you can do is restart your computer. Go to the Windows option like this and simply click on this icon and update and restart as if it might. And sometimes a simple restart can resolve the issue as well. Also check the audio connections which is on the bottom over here and ensure that your speakers or headphones are properly connected to your computer as well. And also update your audio drivers. What you have to do is simply right click on the audio device. Also look out for the sound settings over here. Or also check for the Windows audio services. You have to press the Windows plus R at the same time. Press it. And after this, you will get into an interface like this over here. And make sure you type down the services.msc after this and click on the OK option. After this, you'll be getting into an interface like this and try these solutions one by one and see if any of them resolve the no audio output devices installed error in your Windows 10. This is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.